Beetroot is one of the vegetables we get from the roots of plants, and it is a vegetable rich in many important vitamins and minerals for our health that we can eat in many ways, especially the beauty of this vegetable salad. In addition to vitamins and minerals, beetroot contains chemical and medicinal properties derived from plants that are essential for health and are extremely helpful in controlling many diseases. In this video, we are going to talk about some essential beetroot benefits that will make you eat beetroot. You will want to include this wonderful vegetable in your daily diet. Nutritional value of beetroot. Beetroot contains almost all necessary vitamins for our health, and with these vitamins, the amount of calories in beetroot is very low, only 44 calories in 100 grams of beetroot, protein 1.7 grams, fat 0.2 grams, fiber 2 grams, vitamin C 6%, folate 20%, vitamin B6 3%, magnesium 6%, potassium 9%, phosphorus 4%, manganese 16% and iron 4%. The two most important alchemy derived from plants include organic nitrate and pigments, which has many positive effects on our health. Keeps blood pressure maintained. Heart diseases, especially diseases like heart attack, heart failure, and stroke, are the major causes of death all over the world, and blood pressure increases the risk of heart disease. According to medical science research, beetroot is a powerful vegetable that lowers blood pressure by reducing it from 4 to 10 millimeters of mercury in just a few hours. And the effects of nitrates remain in the blood for up to 6 hours after ingestion. This means that if you want to use beetroot to lower blood pressure, eat it in the morning, afternoon, and evening, 3 times so that nitrates remain in the blood throughout the day. Enhance body's functionability. According to many medical scientific studies, nitrates increase the body's ability to work, which is why many athletes use beets as an energy booster before exercise. Regular consumption of beetroot increases the body's ability to use oxygen by 20%, so consumption of this vegetable increases the oxygen in the blood and reaches the whole body. It does not make you feel tired quickly and you can continue exercising for a long time. Experts say that nitrates are completely absorbed into the blood 2 to 3 hours after eating, so if you want to use beetroot as an energy booster, eat it 2 to 3 hours before exercise. Useful in chronic inflammation. Chronic inflammation causes many diseases, including obesity, heart disease, liver failure, and cancer. Beetroot has many anti-inflammatory properties. Beetroot juice is very useful in fatty liver and other liver diseases. Useful for digestive system. Just 1 cup of beetroot contains 3.4 grams of dietary fiber, and according to medical science, fiber has many positive effects on health and digest food well. Beetroot improves digestion and prevents indigestion, especially in constipation, and controls inflammation of the colon and other diseases of the stomach. Strengthens the brain. The brain is the most important organ in our body that controls all the functions of the body, and it gets weaker with age, and in some people, it causes dementia and other mental illnesses. One of the reasons impaired blood pressure and inadequate oxygen supply to the brain. Beetroot improves the blood supply to the brain, especially in those parts that have the power of decision and memory. According to a study, the brains of those who drink 250 milliliters of beetroot juice daily start working 4% faster than other people. Eliminate cancer. Cancer is a deadly and contagious disease caused by a disorder within the cells of the body. Antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties of beetroot are extremely helpful in preventing the development of many cancers. Useful for eliminating obesity. Beetroot is low in calories and high in water, and experts say that low-calorie foods such as fruits and vegetables are very important in melting excess body fat and losing weight. Produces blood. Just 100 grams of beetroot contains 4% iron, which plays a very important role in the production of red blood cells in the body. Pregnant women often suffer from anemia, and beetroot is very useful for pregnant women.